So I've never asked Anne for anything apart from now. So this is a new dress. This mark has been here since maybe after the first time that I wore it. It's been washed a number of times. It looks like I've had a mishap with something. I don't know what it is. And I don't know how to get it out because it isn't bleach. Do you know what that is? What is that?
Off the top of my cuff, don't know, lovely, and sorry, I don't mean it like that. I don't know what the mark is, neither do you. So the first thing is try rubbing it, but scratching it between your fingers, see if it crumbles slightly. Maybe it's something that's solventy based, so try crumbling it slightly. Try using a little drop of washing up liquid on it and then rinsing it under a hot tap. Rub it in really hard with your fingers. Rinse it under the hot tap to see if that improves it. Then just squeeze it between a towel, see if that's helped it at all. Maybe something like a little bit of isopropyl alcohol will help. Maybe it won't. Try not to use acetone, nail varnish remover, because if that fabric is acetone, it will dissolve a hole in it. If those two things don't work, and neither one of us knows what the mark is, obviously, you could colour it in with a marker pen, because I have done that many times, especially with bleach marks. And bear in mind, it doesn't actually have to be bleach. It has to be something that took the colour out. And there are plenty of other things that do that. And obviously, once the colours come out, you have to put the colour back. And I have found the easiest way to do that is colour in with a permanent marker pen, which is actually surprisingly effective. It does still show in certain lights, but I agree. I mean, that's right there, isn't it? You can hardly notice it, and it would certainly make it much less visible, which I'm sorry, darling, is not the biggest help you were hoping for, but it might help. And like I said, the washing up liquid and the rubby thing, or a bit of soap would do it as well. That also helps because what you're doing is lubricating and mechanically removing the mark. I don't know. Let us know, though.